DIY Fairy Garden Thursday, Winter Fairy Gardens.
Hi, I'm Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Chornigal. And that's my phone beeping at me already. Anyhow, it is Fairy Grden Thursday, and this is a collaboration hosted by Grandma Sandy, and it was nice to see her back a couple weeks ago. Hi, Grandma. And her co-hosts are Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, Sandra Lynn, Home and Garden. They also do fairy gardens. And myself, Sharon Chornival. So if you're interested in this collaboration and would like to join us, just put in hashtag Fairy Grden Thursday and people will find your fairy gardens. Okay, so today I'm working on a couple of bigger projects. I'm getting my winter fairy gardens ready to take up to Norbridge Senior Center, where I go and do activities. And I put my fairy gardens up there on display for everyone to enjoy. And last week I made some fairy gardens in a jar. And I decided I didn't like all the stuff around the top. It was cotton that I put there, and I didn't like it. If I can find a picture, I'll put it in there. So I took all that cotton and glue off of there, and I can't get this back together again, so I am just going to glue it. And then I'll finish the top and stuff off. Okay, I just put a little lace on the bottom to finish it off. Lace on it, and I think that looks nice. Okay, so now I want to just fix up the top here. I decided I would put one of these snowflakes kind of down here instead of up top. So I'll put some glue on that. Oops. And I'm just going to stick it right down there. And we have a bunch of berries. And I'm going to stick them up on the top. And I'm going to stick them up here. Some there. And some here. There we go. I think that's good enough. And I might put a little bit of berry right there, just because I have this little piece left. So we'll stick it right there. There we go. And I do like this much better than the way she was before. I just think it looks nicer. These that are broken, maybe I can just take this right out of here. Well, we're waiting for the glue gun. Oh, good. Yes. Okay. And that still leaves a nice bunch of berries there. They're broken, and I didn't feel like painting them. You can paint them with paint or nail polish and bring them back up, but we'll just set that aside. And the snowman and everything are still good. So the little fairy is there with your mum. Yeah, I think that does that up pretty good. A wet white thing. Maybe I can just dust this off. And that cleans that up. So there we go. That looks better. And I guess it doesn't hurt to have snow on the sidewalk. Just picking a few little things out. This big garden over here, it needs some loving. Okay. Whoops, a daisy. Okay. Well, I took this off because I was going to use it on something else, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna I just have to fix some stuff up. That's all there is to it. And the little girls are okay. Let's just fix the front up here first. Let's cut this off. Cut this off. And I'm sure we can put this back on. Yep, we can put this back on and get that glued on. Okay, we got this glued back on and this tucked in here. Oh, okay. Let's put some glue in there. Okay, I think my glue gun battery is dying. Yeah. To get out my other glue gun. Okay, let's stick that right in there. There we go. This is okay. Okay, now this tree. Oh yeah, it's doesn't look like it's glued in there very good. Let's see if I can get some glue on here before my glue gun completely dies on me. And get my other one out, plug it in. There we go. That should glue down good now. Just gotta hold it a minute. Better. What have I got? Okay, this is stuff my husband gets off his 3D printer. And I'm going to use them as stands and stuff. Okay, we're working on our little fairies here. I want them to show up better. So I'm going to, this little fairy's on a sled and there's a birdie sitting on there. You can't really see the sled. So I'm going to poke in here. I'm going to put this little bit of plastic in here. This comes off the 3D printer. Here, birdie, we can always put you up in a tree. Oops. Okay, just got to play around here so that things stay where I want them to. Okay, we got the little fairies standing up there pretty good. I'm going to put the little bird back on.
What I did here was I put a riser underneath the fairy on the sleigh and put cotton around it so you couldn't see it, and I brought the other little fairy further ahead. She's pulling the sleigh, and that way they show up better in the garden, and I think they look much better. Okay, this is the second winter fairy garden that's going to go to Norbridge, and now I am going to make another one.
Okay, I had this little fairy garden last year, and I don't know, I want to make a bigger one this year. Okay, here's everything we've got to work with to put this together and see what we can come up with. Okay, let's just play with this and see what we come up with.
I thought it might be fun to do this in a little bit of a fast speed, and I'll just do a little voiceover for you. Put the mirror there because I thought it looked like ice, and I think it looks really neat. And I would like to welcome you again to my channel, and if you stayed this long, thank you, thank you. And if you like this content, could you please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you have subscribed if you're new. Right here, I showed you that white thing right there is another piece of stuff that comes off when you do 3D loading. And so I decided I wanted to make a little hill in this fairy garden, so I put it right there. I got some different colored glue sticks for Christmas, and I thought it might be fun to try out some of this colored glue. So I decided that I wanted some to put the white in, so I had to empty out the clear to put the white in. And now I'm just sticking the little penguins up on top of that piece of plastic, a little riser, so that they will look like they are sliding down a hill. And I am going to speed this up a little bit, and then you will see what I mean. What I'm doing here is all the glue I emptied out of my glue gun, I'm scraping up and I am putting it in front of the little riser so that it makes like a little slope for the penguins to slide down. And now I have the white glue in my glue gun, and you can see I am putting glue on there so that it looks like a little hill is forming for my penguins to slide down. And it's lots of fun. Okay, now I'm going to put some more of the penguins just on the mirror, and I think the mirror looks like ice. And I love that you can see the reflection of the penguin in the ice. So I'm just gluing them down, and I'm using just some of the white glue so it looks like there's a little snow under their feet. And I have 10 penguins all together. So I'm going to put the last one right in the middle. And I think they are all adorable. Okay, so now I'm trying the cotton balls, and I'm seeing if I like the cotton balls and how much of it I'm going to use on the display. And first I started, then I decided I was going to put some more of that white glue all the way around the mirror so it looks like a little hill of snow all around our skating rink. And I think this turned out really nice. So I'm also putting more of the white glue on the back of the riser that the penguins are standing on so that it looks like snow. So this is what I'm doing here, just getting that all covered up. And I think it looks rather pretty. So now I'm going to add the cotton balls. And I decided they'd look good if I just roughed them up really good and just used Elmer's glue to glue them on. Because it's not going to be outside or anything, so it should be perfectly fine. And I sped this part up too. I always think it's fun to see stuff like this get done fast. Well, I hope you're all enjoying me making these little fairy gardens. I do enjoy making them, and I do love sharing them with everybody at our Norbridge Senior Center. Everyone seems to quite like them. Also, I hope everyone's having a nice end of fall and are having fun getting their decorations out for their Christmas decor if you celebrate Christmas. And I know I'm having fun getting things ready to put up our Christmas decor. And my husband is having a great time doing some of the Christmas decorations. I showed them in my last Sunday home reset. If you haven't watched that, it's in my Sunday home reset playlist. And he's made lots and lots of different decor and stuff that I can use in our home, and we're having a great time enjoying our 3D printer. Okay, it looks like I almost got all the snow on here. So we'll see what I do next. Oh. Well, after I finished putting all the snow on, I decided I was going to put some more little trees to make it look more like it's out in the forest. And I got these trees as a gift last year for Christmas, and I believe they use these trees also when they make the setups for trains. Well, I use them in my fairy gardens, and I think they are very, very cute, and they really make a difference in what it looks like. Okay, here's our little penguin display for the winter. There's our little fairy peeking around the corner and watching the penguins play on the ice. Okay, that's my Fairy Grden Thursday, and thank you very much, Grandma Sandy. And I hope everyone enjoyed watching me make these fairy gardens. And I'd love it if you subscribed, gave me a like, and left me a comment. Okay, we'll see you soon. Oh yes, my next video is Sunday home reset, and I will be doing some Christmas decor, and I'm going to be using little polar bears, so you'll have to watch and see where I put these. Okay, bye.